you can ever watch, or the most important value you can ever watch if you're a Forex trader. And they were talking about the carry. I don't know if Kim remembers it, but it was a good 10 years ago. They were talking about the carry trade on Reuters, and we'd already introduced it in the classroom. And as I said, possibly the first place in the retail space to really, really talk about the carry as an indicator. Whilst a lot of people knew about it, we were one of the first to talk about it as maybe an indicator. And of course, when you line up that carry narrative with the DXY today, you probably get a sense of perhaps some of the struggles that are going on. Take a look at the Germans against the US here, and you'll see for yourself. It's pretty self-explanatory. The top chart here is the euro dollar. You can see the carry is very bullish, and you can see that we had a small skew of plus 40 from Friday, and obviously the euro dollar since then, the carry stayed bullish. We got this little grab of liquidity down here into the US Open, and obviously went 110.30 up to a high price of 110.70 for an easy buy against the dollar, with carry getting murdered in the US markets with that buy side bid coming back into that bond market. And obviously when the bond is bid, you know that euro dollar will probably be bid, pound dollar will probably bid, etc., etc. So pretty easy stuff, pretty easy trades. And again, it's just about putting the signals together into the narrative and then making the monies. How many times does it happen, Theo? It happens enough times to try and get you to go away. You know, because they will challenge you. They will prod away at you to see if they can get a reaction. And they know they're going to get a reaction, because at some stage you're going to run out of time. You're going to say you're fed up, you're bored, or you just think for whatever reason that you just haven't got the right trade. They're just going to keep going at you, because psychologically they know that if you give up, there's going to be a lot of people who make that same decision. Psychologically, all of the people will make the same decision roughly at the same time. And normally they count to three. Yeah, that's the funny thing. Normally they'll count to three. So you give them one chance and they've lost money on the first trade, and then you give them another chance. You've even seen some trading gurus say that if you lose 3 trades in a row, you should walk away. If you lose 3 trades in a row or scratch 3 trades in a row, you should walk away. Well, I think it's bollocks. You know, the idea of running you for 3 trades and getting you scratching out or losing a small amount of money on 3 trades in a row means that you're just about to find the bottom edge. You should keep plugging away at your ideas, so long as your ideas are good, because that's what they're going to do. You know, we had a buy trade here, and if you weren't good on your stops, you would have potentially lost that buy trade, lost this buy. It'd be difficult to lose that buy trade, to be honest. But they still keep going after you. Sure you're on the right trade? Are you sure you know what you're doing? Are you sure this is the right thing to be on? And you're going, damn right it is. You give me a lower price, I'm going to double down on that bit of business. Thank you very much. So they give you a lower price, you double down on that bit of business. You say, you ain't shaking me off. You come back in and boom, there she goes. There's your trade. There's your money shot. And that's you finished for the day right there, isn't it? Finished for the day. Beautiful bit of business, guys. Crazy good stuff.